When we go back to the beginning of the year, we are up more than 140%, 143% so far. Yo, what's going on, traders? What's up, team? I hope you're all having a lovely time. It's Raphael back again, and in today's video I want to talk about yesterday's trading session, the trade that I've shared with everybody for free in my Telegram channel. So if you are new to this channel, if you're not inside the free Telegram channel, check the links in the description down below. You can always hit me up on Telegram as well if you have any questions or if you need help, if you need assistance, guidance. I'm there to help you out, guys, just so you know. So we are going to talk about yesterday's trading session, guys. I was on the track with my Yamaha. I was riding the track. I was jumping around with my motocross bike and had a lot of fun. And when I made a break, I was watching the chart. I saw an opportunity. I shared it with everybody. It was a pretty beautiful trade, quick profit taking, and yeah, it ended up with more than. Let me show you the results real quick. So yesterday's trade, first profit taking was 2.5%, nearly 2.6%, and then before the session ends, I was banking another 8,000, which is 0.8%. So yesterday, overall, I made 3.4% yesterday with this trading session with a beautiful sell on Nasdaq. And on Tuesday, I banked on my remaining 10 lot position. I banked another 1.5%. So overall for the week, I'm up around 9.3%, which is amazing. And when we go back to the beginning of the year, we are up more than 140%, 143% so far on this account. I started this account with $1 million. Back in December. It was a fresh account, and I started to trade at the beginning of this year, and yeah, we made some good money on this account. So that being said, guys, let's get into the charts. If you missed out on that trade, I will explain you why I took the trade yesterday. So this video is sponsored by XAUUSD, one of the brokers that I'm using for my trading. Guys, I will put the links down below in the description if you're looking for a regulated broker. XAUUSD is the one to go. And the other broker that I love to use, it's an unregulated broker, it's Trade. I just love the way they work with crypto deposits and withdrawals and all that stuff, and they make an amazing job. So make sure to check both brokers out. I will put the links down below in the description. We are here on the 1 hour time frame, guys. This is Monday's session. Was not really moving because it was bank holidays, Memorial Day, you know that. And then on Tuesday we took that sell I've talked about in my last video. And yeah, yesterday I took another sell on Nasdaq. Why I did that? I mean, in the last video I told you about, like, we had this crazy push and the market, especially in this area, was moving pretty quick. So I expected a pullback back into these areas in here, somewhere into this area before going up again. This was my main target. And yeah, let's go to the lower time frames. As you can see, yesterday we had London session high somewhere in here, late London session low somewhere in here. And when the New York session started, let me go to the 1 minute time frame to show you. When the New York session started at around 9:30, New York Stock Exchange opening, market was pushing up, pulled a lot of buyers into the market, and then it broke structure on the smaller time frame. So I was pretty sure that we are going to see some more downward movement, man. I mean, it was end of the month. The month overall was just green, like it was pushing like crazy. So I expected some kind of profit taking. So yeah, I was pretty sure that we are going to see some downward movement early this week. And then maybe like after that pullback, maybe on Thursday, Friday, another push to higher highs. This was my idea for this week, and yeah, yesterday I banked on this beautiful trade. I took a sell in here at around 14,300, somewhere in this area, 340 something. Had my stop above. Market was coming down pretty quick. I mean, it took me around maybe 15 minutes or something till my target got hit. I think I got out at around somewhere in this area just before the break of this London session low. In here just before that I closed like nearly 90%, I think 85% of my position I closed somewhere in here, and then I was letting the rest run until the end of the day with stop at break even, of course. Then I got out somewhere in here around 14,250 area. Somewhere in here I closed my last 10 or 15% of the position. So yeah, this was basically the trade. I've shared this one with everybody for free. I hope that some of you guys have banked on that one and yeah, made some money, guys. And yeah, that's it for today. That's it. I'll keep you updated if I have something, if I trade something. Today I didn't took any trades because I was riding around a little bit and I was not in front of my charts on time, so I didn't took a trade today. But yeah, I will keep you updated, guys, in my free Telegram channel. Follow my trading journey over there. You'll find a link down below in the description. And of course, if you need my help, guys, make sure to drop me a message in Telegram. That'll help you. If I have time to chat, I will be happy to help you out, get you on top, guys. So yeah, that's it. Wish you a lovely rest of the day. I wish you a lovely rest of the trading week. I wish you all big profits, a lot of happiness, a lot of joy, yeah, all that good stuff. So enjoy your time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace. What you know.